Hi guys, in at PaintTech, as you can see, we are pretty much set. So I'm going to take you into the classroom. So a few goodies. We've got the table all set out, some great merchandise, obviously from Greco Arista Spray and JSP. So the boys are meant to be looking busy, but clearly I think they've done a great job. So Craig's obviously put this little beauty together and we're just doing some filming. Here we go. This is some of the machines that you guys will be getting the pleasure to be playing with. So we've obviously got the Q-Tech Q5 HVLP. We've got the Tritech T4. We've got the Greco ST Max 595. We've got the Q-Tech QT190, which is the newer version of the 19. And we've also got the Finish Pro HVLP 9.5. We've got everything set up, so we've got all our spindles, skirts, doors, architraves, walls, ceilings, area for spray plaster, pretty much all ready to go. So we're just putting the final touches together. Oh, and a big thanks obviously to Decorators for supporting us with the paint. So we're just about ready for 2 full days of City and Guilds intensive weekend courses. Can't wait, get excited. Thank you very much.